iQOO has been teasing it for days, dropping just enough hints to spark curiosity, and now the curtain has finally been pulled back. The iQOO 15 Ultra has officially revealed its design in China, and this first proper look tells us exactly what kind of phone this is aiming to be. This isn't subtle, and it's definitely not playing safe. With its expected launch set for early February, iQOO is clearly building momentum, and everything about this reveal feels calculated to keep eyes locked until the very last detail. Right out of the gate, the color options set the tone. The iQOO 15 Ultra arrives in two striking finishes called 2027 Flowing Orange and 2049 Cold Blue. And those names aren't random. They feel ripped straight from a sci-fi timeline, and that's clearly the point. Flowing Orange is bold, loud, and energetic, instantly grabbing attention with a futuristic, almost cyberpunk vibe. Cold Blue, on the other hand, goes for a more controlled, icy aesthetic, understated but still unmistakably high-tech. Together, they show iQOO leaning hard into a future-focused design language. Then there's the camera module, which we wrongly assumed to be circular from previous teasers, but now from the final design, it's now confirmed to feature large square housing dominating the back, finished with a transparent look that immediately sets it apart from typical flagship designs. Inside that module sits a horizontal light strip that functions as a breathing light, subtly pulsing and adding a strong gaming identity to the phone. This isn't just for show either, because tucked right beneath the camera island is an intake vent for the active cooling system, cleverly integrated so it feels intentional rather than industrial. Look closer at the back panel and you'll notice a hexagonal honeycomb texture spreading across the surface. It's a small detail, but one that reinforces the phone's performance-first personality. It looks engineered, purposeful, and tactile, like something built to be pushed hard. The frame continues that theme with dual shoulder buttons built directly into the sides, a clear nod to serious mobile gaming where precision, responsiveness, and physical controls actually matter. Performance is where things get even more interesting. iQOO's product director, Galant V, has already shared AnTuTu benchmark numbers, and they're eye-watering. The iQOO 15 Ultra has crossed 4.51 million points, and according to him, that isn't even its final form. Optimization is still ongoing, meaning there's potentially more performance left on the table. Powering all of this is expected to be Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with an active cooling fan designed to keep thermals in check during long, intense gaming sessions. Memory and storage configurations push things even further into enthusiast territory. Leaks suggest the base model will already start at 16 gigabytes of RAM with 512 gigabytes of storage, which alone sounds extreme, but the top-end variant reportedly goes all the way up to 24 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage, a combination that's still incredibly rare even among ultra-premium flagships. This is the kind of setup meant for users who never want to think about limits. On top of all that, iQOO is teasing first-time gaming technologies focused on sound, visuals, and control latency. Details are still under wraps, but the promise alone suggests the company is aiming to redefine what a gaming-centric flagship can deliver beyond raw specs. With the launch locked in for early February, more official information is right around the corner, and if this design reveal is anything to go by, the iQOO 15 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most aggressive, performance-driven smartphones we've seen in a long time. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.